Do you find it difficult to manage multiple responsibilities all at once? Imagine having a personal organizer in your pocket with just a few clicks streamlines your life. And that's what TickTick promises to do. In today's video, we are going to talk about this productivity application which has gained over 20 million users worldwide and is being called the powerhouse of the productivity apps. I have personally been using TickTick for the past few weeks, and today I'll share my experience, including the benefits and the drawbacks, which I noticed to help you decide if it's the right tool for you to boost your productivity. Welcome to Sandeep Dongadi. I am Sandeep, a software developer and a tech enthusiast. Today we are diving into TickTick, an app that just might change the way you organize your daily tasks. We'll explore its design, key features, pros and cons, device compatibility, user reviews, discounts, pricing, and much more. And at the end, I'll share my personal experience if it truly delivers on the promise it makes to make your life easier. TickTick is a versatile task management app that's been making waves in the productivity space. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more organized, then TickTick promises to be your go-to tool for managing tasks, setting reminders, and tracking habits. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. With over 5 million downloads on Android and 140,000 plus reviews on Android and iOS, TickTick has earned a solid reputation, with maintaining an average rating of 4.6 on Android and 4.8 on iOS. Clearly, users are loving it. Now, let's talk about the design. TickTick has a clean, intuitive user interface that's easy on the eyes. The minimalist design ensures you are not overwhelmed and everything you need is just a tap away. Plus, the customizable color scheme lets you personalize the app to match your style. The overall user experience is smooth with fast transition and zero lag. Now, let's dive into some of the key features TickTick has to offer. We'll keep a countdown running as we explore them all. Ready? Let's get started. Creating tasks in TickTick is super simple. Just type and go. If your task list feels like a mountain, no worries. You can break down tasks into more manageable subtasks, making everything feel more achievable. Got a task you absolutely cannot afford to forget? TickTick has you covered with multiple reminders for the same task. Even on your busiest days, you will get those gentle nudges when you need them the most. Tired of entering same task over and over? TickTick lets you set repetitive tasks for a daily, weekly, or a monthly routine. Set it once, it'll handle the rest. Prefer visualizing your schedules in a calendar? TickTick's built-in calendar view syncs smoothly with Google, iCal, or Outlook, so all your commitments are displayed in one single and organized place. Don't like manually sorting your tasks? TickTick does it for you. With Smart List, your tasks are organized in today, next 7 days, so you always know what's coming up. Whether you're looking to build a new habit or break the old ones, TickTick's Habit Tracker is your personal cheerleader, tracking your progress and helping you stay motivated. Need help focusing? TickTick's built-in Pomodoro timer is perfect for working in short productivity bursts with regular intervals for recharge. Got a project with others? With TickTick's task sharing, you can collaborate with teammates, friends, and family members, keeping everyone updated in real time. Not all tasks created are equal. With priority levels, you can rank your tasks based on their importance, so you always know what's need your attention first. With tags and labels, organizing your tasks is easier than ever. Group them by categories and quickly filter through your to-dos with just a tap. Need to block out distraction? TickTick's focus mode blocks all the notifications and help you dive into your work without interruptions. On the go, just use TickTick's voice input to add tasks with just speaking into TickTick. No typing necessary. Keep everything neat and organized by grouping your tasks into folders. Whether it's a side project, home, or work, you always find what you need. It's super convenient. Got a quick to-do like groceries or packing? TickTick's checklist mode lets you cross off item as you go. It's fast, easy, and super satisfying. With advanced search and filter, finding tasks is super easy. You can filter by tags, due dates, and even more, so you never lose a track. If you follow JTD method getting things done, TickTick makes it simple to organize your task into categories like next action, someday or maybe, need reminder based on where you are. TickTick's location-based reminders nudges you at the right place, like grabbing a milk when you're nearby the grocery store. It's super convenient. Estimate how long each task will take with task duration, so you can manage your day effectively. Want to stay on top of everything? TickTick's time blocking feature lets you block specific amount of time to work on your most productive task. Love seeing tasks visually? With Kanban view, you can move your task from to do to done. Working on a big project, TickTick lets you add dependencies to your task. Like task B cannot start until the task A is completed, keeping everything on track. Save time with batch editing. Update multiple tasks all at once, like adjusting their deadline, priority level, and more. Instead of reading a reminder, hear your own voice with voice task reminder. Just record it and you'll get your personalized reminder. Need to collaborate? With advanced calendar sharing, you can share your calendar with others, setting custom permissions for each person. Frequently repeating tasks, task templates save your time, lets you create preset tasks with all the details pre-filled in it. One of the best thing about TickTick, it's cross-device compatibility. It works in almost all devices, from smartphones to tablets to the desktop. It even includes Chrome extensions as well as an Outlook add-on. So, whichever device you are, TickTick's got your back. So, who is this TickTick for? Honestly, anyone who is looking to stay organized. Whether you're managing a work project, school assignment, or personal goals, TickTick has a feature for you. If you need more than just a simple to-do list, the features like habit tracking and a Pomodoro timer could be a game changer for you. Alright, let's break it down. What's good about TickTick and where does it fall short? Let's look into some of the pros. You can start using the app without the hassle of creating an account. From time tracking to the habit building, TickTick has it all. The sleek and intuitive user interface won't overwhelm you with too many options. Whether you are on a mobile or a desktop, your tasks are always in sync. Most core features are available in the free version. If you are on a budget, then this is great for you. Many of the best features are blocked behind a paywall. So if you want the full experience, then you have to go for a premium version. For new users or those who prefer a simpler app, these features can be a little bit overwhelming. So there you have it, a mix of strength and a few areas where TickTick could improve. But overall, it's still a strong contender in the productivity space. Here's what some of the users are saying about TickTick. Let's talk about the pricing. TickTick has a solid free version. But if you want to unlock its full potential, then you'll have to upgrade to the premium version. The premium subscriptions cost around $3.99 on a monthly plan and $35.99 per year. If you're on a long haul, then this is a better deal for you. And here's something for students and educators. TickTick offers 25% education discount for students and educators, which brings it down at around $26.99 per year. If you're eligible, this deal is great to explore all the premium features of the TickTick. And here's a great deal if you are looking for a thoughtful gift. TickTick has a gift card option. Time is the most precious gift. By giving TickTick Premium, you can help them. You can choose from a variety of gift cards, from standard, holiday, birthday, Christmas or New Year. Perfect for any occasion. Now let's talk about something important, data collection and security. Like many apps, TickTick collects certain data to enhance its services. Here's what you need to know. TickTick may gather personal information such as name, email address, user IDs. It can also collect photos, videos and files which you upload. Additionally, the app tracks your purchase history, device location app performance, even your location and calendar events. But don't worry, TickTick takes your security very seriously. Your data is encrypted during transmission and transferred over a secured connection. Plus, you have the option to request the deletion of your data if needed. So, what's the final verdict? TickTick is a well-rounded task management app that offers plenty of value, especially considering the free version, which gives access to most of the essential features. If you're serious about productivity, then the premium version, packed with advanced options like calendar sharing and deeper customization, is worth trying. My only small complaint is the free version has some limits on the tasks and feature, which might be a drawback for a heavy user. But in general, TickTick is still a very strong contender in the productivity space. That's worth checking out. Have you used TickTick? If you found this review helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use a productivity boost. Don't forget to hit the subscribe for more app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.